Hey guys, I have just gotten Henry Stickmin collection. So yeah, welcome back to another video. Played a bit, not that much. Played up to like here, and then stopped because, well, yeah. And I'm gonna go 520. Breaking the bank. Alright, I know which one is the correct one. I'm pretty sure I've gotten all of these, so.
How did we lose one? I think we should throw them back, just to be safe. You ever wonder why there's a bank out here? I think it's supposed to be like more of a wall, you know?
Oh, that's fun, Also, apparently this isn't the best screen recorder, so it's a bit laggy apparently. So I'm sorry if it's really laggy. I don't think there's anything I can really do about it. For some reason I can't zoom in though. I put it full screen.
We've already checked if anything useful. Haven't we, Dad? What? Yeah. Of course I checked it. I mean, if I didn't check it, I'd lose my job.
Honestly, I think I'm the only YouTuber who played Henry Stickmin collection with barely any subscribers. Like honestly, I haven't seen a single YouTuber. Oh, how much fails have these ever done? I can't remember which one's the correct one. I'm gonna choose this. Oh. How did that even work? Alright, let's try this again. Let's do the thing here. Oh, what? Oh! Never mind. Better. Oh, well, I fixed it. No, probably it's glitched or something. Oh! Oh, yes, I got it. I didn't realise that I had it. I escaping. Right, I know which one is wrong and which one is right. So I'm just gonna throw the belt of grenades. It's the wrong one, I know. What the? Alright, the chair. Which one is? Why is everything in Henry Stickmin collection? Oh wait, which one is it? Which one was the fail and which one was the right? I'm gonna go this one. I think I got the fail. Yep. For me, it's very smooth. For you guys, yeah, it might be a bit laggy. Alright, now I've done that fail, I can now move on to this side. Oh, I know which one is what one, but I'm just going to choose all these. Alright, and then rip. Rip Emery. Still alive. Oh, not for long. Jetpack. I was about to say, that's a lot of text. Guess we missed the place. Why would you do that? You could pull your eye out. That'd be weird. Creepy. Yeah, this is the correct option, of course. Sneak escapist. Nice, we got it. Alright, there are more, but I think I can really film them more. Since this was actually 6 minutes, I can only do it for. Oh, I missed a fail. No, I missed a. Okay. No. Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay. I think I can show you the other fails. Wait. No, wait, yeah, I did miss a fail. But that I know now. I know now. Oh, damn it. I accidentally did it. I keep getting knocked out on that part. And then this part, I just leave it. Hey, prisoner. Alright. Oh, achievement unlocked. No, not retry. Menu. Now stealing the diamond, I've done 2 fails, surprisingly. 1 achievement and 1 bio. Oh no, the busting in was the correct one. Jump. Hang on. What's this? I'm fleeing the airship. Alright, I wanna play this. Next time I can, yeah. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I just sneezed. On the way I'm run.
I don't need to remind you that we must several charges of robbery, breaking outside of prison, even stealing Indonesian dollars. Got quite a lot of usually got right in the both churches again. Charlie will be bringing you close to the airship. Rest is up to you. Find a way to bring it down. Hey, you want me to bring you in?
I think I'm for that guy there. Just running, yeah. Alright, boosters definitely don't work. I think it's a chair. Yeah.
Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy with a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious. Hurry up now, activate the doors.
Hurry up now. This is not gonna work. I'm gonna Alright. Yeah, we'll go there. Hurry up now, activate the phone. No, that doesn't work. Yeah. Well, I know how to do it now. I just love him saying that. Actually, do him. What means? Let's do the dirt. Alright. 3 minutes left. Alright, let's try this again. Splits. Oh! Oh. It did 600 damage and... whatever. Whatever. We can do this. Oh, that's my health. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, there's still one! There's still one! Yeah! 10. Oh, we need a 10. You get me looked up. Oh, that's actually right. Yeah, we got him.
I surrender the issue to you.
I want Charles to be on the team, but... Ooh, it's creepy. Oh, who should I pick? Dummies. Oh no, it's about to end. Well, make sure to like and subscribe, and I guess we'll see you all later. Bye!